Alright, alright, so now you guys can see me clearly, right? Right before I start this video, so major upgrade, alright, but gee man. So let me get on started with the video already and get on with the review actually. So like I can't get everything or everyone into frame here. This McQueen right here, even this Dan Garcia, Glow Racer variants. Because like, look how big and wide this Mac is. Actually also, this is also the Glow Racer Mac variant playset. As you can see right there, there's like glows in the dark too. So you can see some sort of a storage unit which we would get on momentarily. Can't wait to bust this guy open. And then by the next day or so, I would be reviewing this guy McQueen together with Cruz Ramirez. I'm still missing Mater. I don't know why in my area like Mater is so hard to find. He's like, those three are mainly part of the first wave of the Glow Racers. So that's that. So mainly this it's supposed to be the very first Glow Racer item in the main line that I should be reviewing instead of Dan Garcia, but somehow I received this like during my like these are my very first Glow Racers that I have ever received. Ever since I start collecting these, I thought like they just make no sense since they glow in the dark and whatsoever. I thought they just make no sense. Then once I discovered and get to know them even better, I started like collecting them all the way up till the end. Wingo is like one of the last ones. Then Race to Celebrate. I mean, this including the mini racers glow in the dark, like the glow in the dark Doc Hudson, which is from that very rare like multi-pack mini racers. So that's another story. As you can see, Mac from the Glow Racers mainline. Oh dear, it's pretty dark. Can barely see the Disney Pixar Cars logo. Glow in the dark. You can see right there. Can see McQueen right here, which is this guy. Since I'm not even gonna unbox him throughout this whole video, I would be using a sample car, which is mainly my very first Glow Racer, Dan Garcia. My sample test subject for this Mac playset. The wheels do glow, even like the stickers. I'm pretty sure like those are like, am I right? Those are like the glow in the dark stickers, if I'm not mistaken. McQueen. Oh no, I'm still getting used. Same image, promo image on the card of every single one of these Glow Racer diecast mainline cars. Transforming Mac playset. All it says. I mean the name of this specific toy. Here he is all transformed back to regular Mac. Can't wait to bust this guy. You open. You can see that the tires glow. As you can see the lime green color to it. Even like the 95 sticker on the cab portion. Surely I can assure you the cab is removable. I've been waiting till this day so I can finally review this guy. Disney Pixar Cars, glow in the dark, transforming Mac playset. Here you go, some multiple play features. for this playset. Press to activate Guido. Can't wait to see how would that be, man. Apply for that's a different language. Then another like this. Sure, I'm assuming this is the launcher. Also in the past, we also have a Mac transforming playset, which is like the, I guess also named transforming Mac playset during the events of Course 3. This is surely the launcher. The back door does open. Then this is like some sort of like the tune-up or workup area. Some brush where McQueen can like wash up or something. Some other like necessarily equipment right there, which I can't really explain. And Lightning McQueen sold separately. Yes, definitely. Lightning McQueen's not included. Again, glows in the dark. Transforming Mac playset. Also, each and one of these holders, as you may know, as of now, they have like that easy open tab. Wait. Does mine even oh, never mind. I just missed it. It was right here. The easy open tab or arrow. Each one of these holders even have this sort of feature. Oh, this is gonna be a very long video, so stay tuned and make sure just watch me. Stay tuned for the unboxing and mainly the review of this guy. There we go. It's just my first time unboxing like something like this on camera. Oh there. Oh, it has some instructions. I guess we won't be needing those. Uh-oh. Something fell. Well, that was a bit of a struggle. Luckily, I cut the video from that moment on, because like I don't want you guys to see me like struggle with the getting Mac out of its package. So here's again the instructions. English, right? Instructions in English. Storage. It's a multi-language instruction. I'm gonna be reading these instructions off cam, just in case if there's some specific. I mean, surely you already know how this works mainly. There you go. I have seen some videos, like for example, such as Mr. Docket in reviewing this guy. Here's like that brush that I have showed you earlier. Put that aside. Surely the cab portion of Mac is... Oh, there we go. Cab portion of Mac is removable. Nothing to compare to because aside from the... Is that the Travel Mac playset? What it's called? Mainly, surely it is. Whoops. Here's the sticker. Mainly, surely it's glow in the dark along with the wheels, plastic wheels. This is also based on Cars 3 Mac, not the Cars 1 Mac. The base, Rusty's medicated bumper ointment, Mac. The trailer, I never get to have a chance to have exactly the Cars 3 Mac as a diecast, even along with the Cars 2 Hudson, Cars 2. Because then, like, Cars 2 Mac, I don't even have it as a diecast yet. As you can see, it shows McQueen. This is actually on his, like, Cars 3, in his Cars 3 paint job. Can't wait to see the action of the stickers once these are glow in the dark. Here you can see is the back of Mac. Let's see let's see the play features on this Mac. Wait. I have to take a pause there and then read the instructions first. Well, do you have to press something here? Completely forgot the functionality of this. Oh, there we go. Never mind. Oh, wow. Impressive. Then let's try this again. There's actually an indicator. This arrow, you just slide it to the right, and then it assembles into a somewhat of a play area. Not play area, like a somewhat of a storage, like the almost like somewhat of a headquarters for McQueen. Oh, this is a nice feature. Guido spins once you press down this tune-up sort of area, the lift. Awesome. Then this is the launcher. I'm not gonna use or play too much of that launcher. Starting off, I don't know, to be honest, where to start with. Starting off with this brush over here, which is not removable. It came like this once you like, oh, there it goes up and down. Awesome. This is like when, let's say for example, this McQueen, to get like a car wash or something. Very soft brush. Is that Harv? This is Harv, sure. Wait, no. Oh, it's it's some sort of a gas pump. Just drive on. Dan Garcia over here, you just pretend you're like pumping up gas on him. even though it doesn't really reach. Don't even bother like forcing it way too hard. Oh, he has some tools right here. Night Racing Paint Shop. Cool. Has some very nice sample of paints over there. If you can like make it out. I'm already zooming this fully. Then let's move on to this area. Where when you press down on the car here, mainly just spins Guido, pretend like he's doing some work on McQueen or something. It's a very nice playset. This is the launcher. I already set it up earlier. I'm gonna put my hand here just in case. Okay, nice amount of speed for this guy. We're gonna check on this now, how it works well how it works very well now during the dark. Okay, you may see already right there, I'm like shining my light a little, like it is glowing a little. It's very impressive. Even like the wheels, it's glowing a little. I don't know about Mac over here. Surely he's glowing. Let's see about Dan over here. Very cool, very cool. There we go, there's some light already. So it's a very fun overall, very fun sort of playset. Let's see if I can close this back, or maybe fit Mr. Dan Garcia in it. Once like I close the holder itself. Oh yeah, make sure don't forget to attach him back to his holder. Oh, you have to put him in first. And there we go. Wow. Over the Macs over the past year, this has to be the best Mac variant that Mattel has ever made by far. It's very cool. Tons of play features, and then see you soon, hopefully, for the main review on McQueen, and definitely Glow Racers Mainline Cruz Ramirez. So see you once again for the next video. So this is Pixar Cars fan saying peace.